won't believe this incredible CNC laser cutting machine. Get 45% off right now. Link in our video descriptions. 80W40W Laser Engraver Module Head Focal Fixed 445nm Blue Light Module for CNC Laser Cutting Engraving Marking Machine Wood Tool. Module features: designed for laser engraver, CNC mill, DIY engraving and cutting, fixed focus, no need to focus, easy to use. DBL10WF laser module can engrave stainless steel at speed of 30mm per second with 50mm focus length. DBL5WFA laser module can engrave stainless steel at speed of 30mm per second. DBL10WF can cut 8-10mm plywood by one pass. DBL5WFA can cut for 5mm plywood by one pass. Professional air assistance. Highly improved cutting ability. Engravable materials: MDF, balsa, paper, wood, fabric, plastic, leather, plywood, foam paper, anodized aluminum, stainless steel, ceramics. Cuttable materials: cardboard, non-woven fabric, plywood, MDF, acrylic, some thin plastic board. Note: blue or purple or white or transparent materials. Aluminum without oxide layer cannot be engraved. General specifications: model DBL10WF, heatsink material, aluminum plus PETG, luminous color, blue. Get 45% off right now with link in our video descriptions. 80W40W Laser Engraver Module Head Focal Fixed 445nm Blue Light Module for CNC Laser Cutting Engraving Marking Machine Wood Tool. Buy right now, only for 85 hours right now.